can you solve this math challenge? Here's the question. Evaluate 1 over 2 factorial plus 2 over 3 factorial plus 3 over 4 factorial plus 4 over 5 factorial plus 5 over 6 factorial plus 6 over 7 factorial, and so on and so forth. Now, you can pause this video if you want to give this problem a try. Now, suppose you pause this video. Now, let's see if you got the correct answer. So, our goal in this question is to evaluate this expression 1 over 2 factorial plus 2 over 3 factorial, and so on and so forth until infinity. So, to answer this question, let's call this expression be equal to S, wherein this S is the sum of this expression until infinity. Alright, now let's focus on this one. This one, we know we can rewrite this as 2 minus 1. This is just 1. And this 2 is just 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1 is just 2. Right? This 3, 4, 5, and 6, we can rewrite this as 4 minus 1, which is 3. 5 minus 1 is 4. 6 minus 1 is 5. And 7 minus 1 is 6. 4, 5, 6. Alright. And now, let's use the property of similar fraction. So, if we have 2 minus 1 over 2 factorial, we can rewrite this as 2 over 2 factorial minus 1 over 2 factorial. And if we combine this, we go back to 2 minus 1 over 2 factorial. Alright? Now, what is the simplest form of 2 over 2 factorial? We know 2 factorial is 2 times 1. So, we can eliminate this 2 and 2. So, this is just 1 over 1, or simply equal to 1. Alright, so that's fine. Now, how about this? 3 minus 1 over 3 factorial. We can rewrite this as 3 over 3 factorial minus 1 over 3 factorial. Now, we know 3 factorial is 3 times 2 times 1. So, we can eliminate 3 on the numerator and 3 on the denominator. So, this is just 1 over 2 factorial. And how about this 4 minus 1 over 4 factorial? This is just 4 over 4 factorial. If we simplify this, 4 factorial is 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. Eliminate this 4 on the numerator and denominator. So, this is just 1 over 3 factorial. Now, if we do this again, to 5 minus 1 over 5 factorial, we know this 5 over 5 factorial is just 1 over 4 factorial. And we can repeat the process until infinity like this. And one thing to notice here is very important. We have negative 1 over 2 factorial plus 1 over 2 factorial. We have negative and a positive. So this is just 0. We have negative 1 over 3 factorial. We have positive 1 over 3 factorial. This is just, again, 0. Negative 1 over 4 factorial, positive 1 over 4 factorial. This is also 0. And all of these are 0. Therefore, all of this until infinity is 0, equal to 0. So, S must be equal to 1. And we know that this S is the value of this expression. Therefore, if we evaluate this entire expression until infinity, we get a value of 1. And that is the answer to this question. Therefore, if we evaluate this expression 1 over 2 factorial plus 2 over 3 factorial plus 3 over 4 factorial, and so on and so forth, we get 1. And as always, we are done.